How to find adjustable playback speed on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find adjustable playback speed on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find here this one, Deezer Labs, and click on it. Click on Deezer Labs, and here you will find it. Here you can enable playback speed control button, and that's it. You can enable it or disable it. That's it, it's easy. And then just go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.